Welcome to Awareness Prism. I'm thrilled you're here joining us on this journey of discovery. Today, we're diving into a profound truth that could completely transform how you see yourself and others. Are you ready to explore something beautiful? Think about the ocean for a moment. See in your mind's eye how it's filled with countless waves, each one unique, with its own height, shape, and character. Yet, despite all these differences, every single wave is made of the same water. This isn't just a beautiful sight, it's a powerful metaphor that unlocks a deep understanding about who we really are. We experience ourselves as separate individuals, don't we? Each with our own personalities, stories, and experiences. Like waves on the ocean, we appear completely different on the surface. But what if, at the deepest level, we're all expressions of the same fundamental consciousness? This isn't just poetic language, it's pointing to something you can recognize directly in your own experience. The awareness that's listening to these words right now, the consciousness that knows you exist, is this fundamentally different from the awareness in others. Think about it. When you were a child, there was awareness. As an adult, there's awareness. When you're elderly, there will still be awareness. Your thoughts change, emotions shift, circumstances transform, but awareness itself remains constant. This same unchanging awareness appears to be present in every conscious being. Just as waves are temporary formations of water that rise and fall, our individual personalities might be temporary expressions of consciousness, unique forms of something universal. This recognition completely transforms how we relate to others. When you see someone behaving differently than you, instead of thinking, "They're so separate from me," you might recognize that's consciousness expressing itself through a different wave pattern. The forms differ, but the essence is the same. This doesn't erase individuality or make everyone identical. Waves maintain their unique characteristics while being ocean. Similarly, we retain our distinct personalities while sharing the same fundamental nature as awareness. Consider the conflicts in your life. Most disagreements happen at the wave level, different opinions, preferences, and perspectives clashing. But underneath, at the ocean level, there's unity. Both people are consciousness experiencing itself through different viewpoints. This understanding brings natural compassion. When someone is struggling, you're not looking at a separate entity, but at consciousness experiencing difficulty through that particular form. Their pain becomes more relatable because you recognize the shared foundation. It also explains why isolation feels so unnatural. Waves aren't separate from the ocean, and we're not separate from the field of consciousness. Loneliness often comes from forgetting this fundamental connection. In your daily interactions, try recognizing this. The awareness looking through your eyes is the same awareness looking through theirs. Different waves, same ocean. Different expressions, same consciousness. This doesn't require believing anything or adopting a philosophy. Simply notice the awareness present in yourself. Then consider whether this same awareness might be present in others, expressing through different personalities and circumstances. When you recognize unity in diversity, seeing both the unique wave and the shared ocean, relationships become richer, conflicts become workable, and a natural sense of connection with all life emerges. I invite you to join our growing community of explorers on this journey of awareness. If these insights resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to Awareness Prism for more discoveries that transform how we experience life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How does this ocean metaphor speak to your experience? Remember, you are both the unique wave of your individuality and the vast ocean of shared consciousness. Let's continue exploring this beautiful truth together. Until next time, I'm grateful to be on this journey with you.